Hey guys, welcome back to another video, the first of its kind in a series where I review tech. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the RP-15. So, let's get right into it. Whoa, that's a bit intimidating. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Actually, I will cut away from myself because, safety first. Don't want to cut yourself. Oop. Alright. Oh wow, another box. So, I'll read this out to you guys. You are unboxing something that few people have seen before. You're an adventure seeker, and we love that. You'll be rolling your sleeves up and flying along with your new PC in no time. Alright, let's get right into it. I don't need a HDMI cable. Now this is the main packaging, and the main thing we're going to be unboxing. Really just flip it over like this, shouldn't I? Okay, never mind. That was not the main box. There we go. The RP-15. This is said to be one of the best AMD laptops that you can get your hands on at the moment. Okay, so this is an instruction manual, I guess, and this is the laptop. Now, right before we get into the actual laptop, let's look at what they have in store for us. So, we got a pretty standard looking DC power cable. RP-15 itself, in the blood and in the flesh. A little microfiber cloth. So, this looks to be... So this is really cool. This actually comes with a free skin to come with your laptop. Now, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. There will actually be an affiliate link in the description if you're interested in getting this laptop. This you can take off. Ooh. It is a very good, very nice, high quality mouse pad. Now people might think that sounds weird, but trust me, mouse pads can make a world of difference. Sorry for the noise in the background. Now look at that. Now, as far as specs goes, this is a very, if it'll focus, this is a very beefy laptop. Especially for its form factor in 15.6 inches. It stores a Ryzen 7 4800H full power. Well, not full power Ryzen 7, but it does match the speed of something like the Ryzen 7 3700 and the RTX 2060, which can output about 130 watts. Correct me if I'm wrong. Sorry for the really weird autofocus issues. Not only that, it also has a 144 Hz display with a 3 millisecond response rate. And at this, you can still get about 5 to 6 hours of battery life out of this 90 watt hour battery. Again, I'm sorry for the autofocus issues. probably killing you guys. The all-around experience with this laptop is phenomenal. The keyboard, if you want to hear that, amazing. The trackpad feels good. The screen, this is a very bright room. Obviously, it's gonna have some issues with that, but in a normal situation, this is perfectly good for anyone that's on a budget for gaming, but still wants the best. This has one of the best specifications for something like a CPU. So if you're into anything creative at all, Photoshop, video editing, rendering, anything of the sort, this is your this is your go-to laptop.
Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Indeed, let's dig in. So,
your region is set to the United States.
Cortana.
Is that right?
Cortana. So right off the bat, being in this just feels great. Let's go to the About section. Ryzen 7 4800. It starts, the base clock is 2.9, but it can boost up to 4.5 gigahertz. 16 gigs at 3200 megahertz DDR4 RAM. I think it's from Corsair, but I'm not too sure. And obviously the GPU being an RTX 2060 refresh. With its full power, so up to 130 watts is what I think I was told. Yeah, there's not much. There's something that you can do though, and it's called overdrive, and it's called gaming mode. Yeah, gaming mode. And then you can go back to office mode, beast mode, game mode. Yeah, there's those three modes. Beast mode. Now, that's where this thing shines. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more, click the like button, subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys later.
No, don't let me think, keep on going, I'm gonna sing. I'm tired of seeing another ghost. I guess I'll have another toast to the pain and undecided. For now